So let's try another example. This time we'll do CH4 and then you'll try PCl3 on your own. Or if you want, try CH4 on your own and then watch this video to check and see if you did it correctly. I forgot to tell you how you could make a new piece of paper in AutoDraw. So I just wanted to show that if you click here in the corner, it will let you start a new piece of paper after you finish one diagram. So this time we're going to do CH4. Again, carbon is closer to the center of the periodic table than hydrogen is. So if I'm doing step 1 and I compare carbon and hydrogen, I can see that carbon should be the central atom. There's also just one carbon in this compound, so that's another clue that it is the central atom. So I'm going to draw carbon over here, and then I'm going to draw my 4 hydrogens around it. I'm just going to space them out as far away from each other as possible, or basically on the left, the right, the top, and the bottom. Either of those methods is fine. And the final hydrogen. We know that this is a compound, so we're going to draw bonds between the carbon and the hydrogen atoms. So the next step is to calculate the total number of valence electrons. Carbon is here in group 14, so it has 4 valence electrons. I'm just going to write the formula out to use in my calculation. Carbon would be 4. And then there are 4 hydrogens. So I'm going to add 4 times the number of valence electrons for hydrogen, which is 1. So I'm just going to have 4 plus 4 times 1, so that is 8 valence electrons. Let's count how many valence electrons we already used. 2, 4, 6, 8. So if I subtract the 8 electrons that are being used in the bonds, I don't have any valence electrons left over. So the last step would be to make sure that each of the elements in this compound has a complete octet. So carbon has 2, 4, 6, 8. So carbon is happy. Hydrogen is only looking for 2 valence electrons, and it gets its 2 valence electrons from the bond, so hydrogen is happy. So our compound is complete. That one was easy. I'm going to take a screenshot. I'm doing Control-Shift window switcher so that I can just select the section of the screen that I want to take a screenshot of. And then I'm just resizing it to fit it in this space. So go ahead and try PCl3 next.